The architecture of discovery. Linking theory, logic, and visual proof. The relationship between the derivation sheet and the two diagrams is one of technical foundation, operational mapping, and conceptual evolution. While the derivation sheet provides the raw scientific truth, the diagrams organize and translate that truth into a structured journey of understanding. The technical foundation. The derivation sheet. The derivation sheet serves as the mathematical engine of the entire project. It provides the rigorous calculations required to identify the fundamental nature of the force field, proving that it has no internal sources or sinks and that the work done moving through it is independent of the path taken. This document performs the heavy lifting by transforming the initial problem into concrete energy models. Without this foundation, the simulations and visualizations would be mere art rather than scientifically accurate representations. The operational roadmap. The sequence diagram. The sequence diagram acts as the logical bridge between the raw math and the final verification. While the derivation sheet contains the detailed steps, the sequence diagram organizes these steps into a clear, four-stage workflow. Field definition. Establishing the rules of the environment. Calculus analysis. Identifying the mathematical personality of the field. Potential derivation. Creating the energy landscapes based on those identified traits. Simulation and verification. Testing the math against the laws of physics. The conceptual evolution. The state diagram. The state diagram illustrates the user's journey from initial curiosity to ultimate proof. It shows how each visual demo and mathematical example builds upon the previous one. This diagram tracks the progression from a simple physical feel for the charges to rigorous calculation, then to static heat maps, and finally to dynamic simulations. It highlights that the goal isn't just to solve an equation, but to achieve a visual proof, where a particle's flight demonstrates perfectly constant total energy. The unified goal. The horizontal line proof. All three sources converge at the final stage of verification. The derivation sheet provides the formulas, the sequence diagram outlines the testing process, and the state diagram represents the final stage of understanding. The ultimate relationship is seen in the simulation. The horizontal line of total energy serves as the numerical proof that the derivation sheet was correct, the sequence was logical, and the states of visualization are physically sound.